2, 1, go! All right, we're in playoff match number 2. Both sides looking to fill up their hubs. Robo Eagles quick off the mark, going to also collect some fuel from the center. Red Alliance holding a lead, but let's see if Robo Eagles can deploy that fuel. That'll bring Blue on top. As we conclude the autonomous period, Blue 9 points ahead of the Red Alliance, which means that Red will have the first alliance shift after this transition period. Red human players continuing to work to score that fuel, and their robots are gathering as much fuel as possible. Their fuel hub is active, and it's time for them to score as much as possible. Spork looks like they're aiming to play some defense, but they've gotten stuck on the red bump. That may be a hindrance for the Blue Alliance. But now we've got the Robo Eagles. They're gearing up. They're collecting as much fuel as possible. They're going to get ready to absolutely unload that in a few seconds as the Blue shift begins. Red getting one last score in this shift. And there goes Blue, the Robo Eagles, scoring quick. Their partners at the human player station doing the same. Score is almost tied, and with this volley from the Robo Eagles, that'll bring the Blue Alliance back into the lead. They've got to increase their score if they're going to maintain that lead. In the center of the field, we have Spork, and it seems like their partners, Nightmare Robotics, trying to help them get unstuck, and there they are. They're free as the red shift starts. Spork is now going to play some defense and try and shut down the Gorillas and Labyrinth Robotics. On red, we've got their partners, Raccoon Robotics. They're lining up to score, and they've also been passing along some fuel to their human players as well. Red Alliance holding a small lead over the Blue Alliance. It's a 4 or 5 point difference. As we into the final minute of this match, Blue gets another shift, and the Robo Eagles and their partners, Nightmare Robotics, both working to bring the Blue Alliance back into the lead. There are no ranking points in this match, but the Blue Alliance has still gotten over 100 points. Every point's going to matter at the end of this as we enter the end game, and Red Alliance will be able to score again now. And here comes the Red Alliance, trying to score as many fuel as they can to keep pace and catch up with where the Blue Alliance is. These are the final seconds of the match. Red Alliance trying to score as many as possible. Labyrinth unloading their shooter, but it looks like they've missed a lot of those. Blue Alliance is taking this advantage, and there's two scoring teams on the Blue Alliance. We've got Nightmare and Robo Eagles doing their best to increase that blue lead. Spork joining them right now to get a couple more points as we end this match. Number 2 of the playoff tournament. All right, the results are in. Blue Alliance takes home the victory. A closely fought match up until the end. The Blue Alliance will continue in the upper bracket. Red Alliance, Alliance number 4, will meet them in the lower bracket, match number 5, in just a few short rounds.